you can transform your day and maybe even your health before 9 a.m. And no, it doesn't take an overhaul, just 3 things your body is quietly craving for the moment you wake up. That's water, movement, and nourishment. Simple? Yes. Powerful? Absolutely. Let's break it down. Firstly, hydration. While you sleep, your body loses water through breathing, through your skin, and even just resting. The dryness you feel in the morning, your brain feels it too. Start your day with a glass of water before tea or coffee. Even better, add a slice of lemon or a pinch of salt to help your body absorb it. Think of it turning the key on in the ignition of your car. Water wakes up your whole system. Next, move. If you've done my 5-minute morning routine, you're already ahead. Movement pumps the blood, loosens joints, and tells your body, we're ready for the day. It doesn't have to be a workout. Just sit up tall, march your legs, roll the ankles. Sends a message to your brain, to your body, that you're awake and capable. This is about preparing to live, not just exist. And finally, eat real food. Skip the sugar rush. Choose something with protein, healthy fats, and maybe a little bit of fiber. Give you some examples. Eggs, Greek yogurt, porridge with seeds, even peanut butter on toast. Why? Because food is fuel, and your engine runs better when you give it quality. A good breakfast is like putting premium petrol in your car. It helps you go further, smoother, and stronger. So, here's your new morning trio. 1, hydrate. 2, move. 3, eat something nourishing. Do that consistently, and your body will reward you. More energy, sharper focus, fewer falls, less fatigue. And if you want a guided version of the movement routine, check out the video link right here. You don't need a perfect plan, just a smart morning. Let's build it together. My name's Gavin Chase, your coach at Chasing Care. Until the next time, you take care and keep moving.